Calculate the mass of chlorine gas which occupies a volume of 1.12 dm³ at s.t.p. Given the atomic mass of chlorine to be equal to 35.5, molar volume of a gas at s.t.p equals 22.4 dm³. Solution. A quick one, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that so as to get more of these videos as soon as they are being released. Let's continue. We are given the molar volume of gas at s.t.p, that's a constant. We are given the volume of the gas and we are given the atomic mass of the gas, but we do not know the mass of the gas itself, and that's what we are being asked to calculate. So the first thing to do here now is to know the number of moles of the gas. So from there we can then use the relationship of moles equals mass over molar mass to get the mass of chlorine gas. So to start with, we'll be saying at s.t.p now, given the molar volume of a gas to be 22.4 dm³, that means at s.t.p 1 mole of gas contains 22.4 dm³. So now X moles of gas will contain 1.12 dm³. We are using this relationship so as to get the number of moles of the gas and to make the work easier. We can, aside using this relationship, we can also use the formula saying moles equals volume over amount at s.t.p. But for this case, let's just use this relationship to get the number of moles of the gas. And let's not forget that the gas we are dealing with here is chlorine gas. So now, to get X now, indirect multiplication, since we have our arrow signs, so now we say S equals 1 mole multiplied by 1.12 dm³ divided by 22.4 dm³, and this is equal to 0.05 in the unit in moles. Now that is to say that the number of moles of chlorine gas is 0.05. Now we've gotten the number of moles of the gas, and we are left to calculate the molar mass of the gas. So chlorine gas has the chemical formula of Cl2. Now since 2 atoms of chlorine are present, the molar mass will then be 2 times the atomic mass of chlorine, which is 35.5. All we are doing here is to calculate the molar mass of the gas. So this gives 2 times 35.5, we have 71, and the unit in grams per mole. Now we've gotten the molar mass of the gas to be 71 grams per mole, and we've gotten the number of moles of the gas. So to get the mass of the gas itself, we'll then say moles, we'll be using the formula of moles equals mass over molar mass. So from here, mass equals moles times molar mass. Then we can say mass of chlorine gas, that is Cl2, will then equals the number of moles, which is 0.05, multiplied by the molar mass, which is 71 grams per mole. Multiplying this, we have 3.55, and the unit in grams, which serves as the final answer. And we can say the mass of chlorine gas which will occupy a volume of 1.12 dm³ at s.t.p is 3.55 grams. That will be all. Do not forget to subscribe and as well click on the notification bell so as to get notified as soon as new videos have been posted. Thank you.